Sup Sneakerholics, it's SneakerholicBeez, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 ways to lace up your Air Jordan 11 Gamma 11s. Stay tuned. So we'll be lacing these up 3 different ways. 2 ways will be kind of like, it's similar with a little twist to it, and then I'll have another way. Instead of going the regular way to lace, we're gonna go the opposite way. So we're gonna go across, we will go over the loop, over the so I'm coming in here. If you can see, I'm coming in right there. Same thing on this side, over the top. So this is how it's ended up, and you're gonna lace it all the way up this way, the whole. All right, let's get into it. So there you have it. That's lace option 1. Lace option 1. Alright, lace option 2 is kind of the same concept. First concept, we came from here. We came from the bottom. This time we're gonna come on the top. So we're gonna keep everything at the top. You know how I do it. Get everything nice and even. Alright, so as you see, we're coming in from the top. And the same concept, we're still coming in from the top like we did on the last one. But instead, we don't have the laces straight across at the bottom. So this is how we beginning. And this is how we're gonna lace it all the way up to the finish. And at any given time, if you wanted to, say you wanted to do a tie with it or whatever. So you didn't want to go all the way to the top. Let's see how it look with it. This is what you're getting with the second. It's kind of similar to the first lace. It's just that you go from the top, from the jump, you go from the top. Alright, the third lace option, we're gonna start from the second to the last. We're gonna start from here. That's where we will begin. And we're gonna lace down. We're gonna start here. Just gonna lace downward. So it's the regular lace, we just lacing it in reverse. As you can see, just a regular lace. We just lacing in reverse. That's it. All the way down to the bottom. All right, so we're gonna come out here. That's where we're gonna end up at, right? And all we're gonna do is take the laces and run them back up the shoe. Same with this, you can run it, running it back up, the sneaker, just back up, just run it back up. But you get it, I'm gonna put it back on the outer side, as such. It's another option you have. So it's similar. You skip the lace right here, bringing it from the top, and then you bringing it back up here. Thanks for watching my video. As always, remember to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Also hit that like button if you like this video, or that thumbs up if you didn't. SneakerholicBeez, and I'm out.